how to remove a ban in TikTok. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to try and remove a ban from your TikTok account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Here, check your notifications. TikTok usually provides a reason for the ban in your inbox. Now, go to your profile page and check if there is an option to appeal the ban. Sometimes there will be a button directly in the notification or on the profile page. If you find the appeal option, tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions. Be prepared to explain why you believe the ban was a mistake. If you don't find an appeal option, go to Settings, tap 3 horizontal lines in top right corner. Here, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to very bottom, select Support option, then Help Center. Here, search for Account Ban or Appeal Ban. Go through the search results and find what suits you best, and tap on that. TikTok has provided every possible solutions. Follow the instructions and see if this helps or not. Alternatively, find the contact form or email address for TikTok support. Write an email explaining your situation. Be sure to include your TikTok username and any relevant details. If you have any evidence that shows you didn't violate the community guidelines, include it in your appeal or email. This could be screenshots or videos. Be patient. TikTok's review process can take time. Wait for their response and check your email regularly. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.